do we know how much climate change will cost?
Yeah.
The answer is the short answer. I mean, there's a long answer, but the short answer is no. We don't know. It's going to cost a lot, but because there are, and the longer we wait, the higher will be the cost. Because some of the measures we can take today are kind of win-win in terms of adaptation, in the sense that they will also save cost. Now, if we wait longer, the impact and the damage will be much larger. And so even if we take the same measures that we could have taken today, the cost will be higher. The cost is composed of three components. One of them is mitigation, the other one is adaptation, and the third one is the damage cost, the residual damage cost. Now, it depends how much mitigation will do. If it's a business as usual, the cost will be very high. If it's a more rigorous mitigation measures will be taken, the cost will be lower. Now the question is, will China and India, for example, will join the efforts to mitigate? The United States. You know, so as the economists would also tell you always, it varies, it depends on. The major impact depends, again, on part of the world we are talking about. In northern Africa and the eastern Mediterranean area, the major impact will be on agriculture. And agriculture will suffer a lot because of high temperatures and shortage of water resources. In Europe, the point is, you know, in some areas in Europe, it may be even beneficial in Northern Europe, because the climate will be more convenient, people will travel less in order to go overseas to southern Spain, they'll stay home or around home, things of that sort. You are asking which countries will be more effective. Poorer countries, no question about it. Poorer countries where the GNP is low, where the level of education is low, those countries will be most affected by climate change. Of course, I'm not talking about, we don't have the problem of low-level countries like island states in the Pacific where they will be washed away. I mean, this is not a danger in the Mediterranean, but there is no doubt that the poorer you are, the more severe climate change impact will be on your economy, on your people, and on nature.